Good morning, dear students. This is Shruti ma'am, Modern English School, New Area, Navada. Today is Monday. So, again, welcome back to Madam Rides the Bus. Already, previous week, from two videos, we have come to know about Madam, that is Valli Ammai, that is Valli, 8 years old girl, her desire and that to ride a bus, and she already just fulfilled her dream, and now she is inside a bus, and already she had started getting the experience of her bus riding, and where we just stopped a previous week, that is very unpleasant woman just came and sat beside Valli, and she was chewing a betel leaf, and Valli though was not happy with that lady, but she replied to the lady's queries, and after that she just ignored the lady and looked through the window. Now two questions that very prominent question that may come from you, and you should raise those questions. That Valli is riding the bus. So we already have come to know that the fare of each way was 30 paise. So Valli is going and Valli is coming. Valli will come back. So she needs 60 paise. So how she managed 60 paise, and as 8 years old girl, how she could manage the timing, that is 45 minutes, 1.5 an hour, 1 hour and 30 minutes, and that bus will rest over there at the last stop. So that this duration, that mostly 2 hours, how Valli had managed. Did she take permission from her mother? So now come to this these two answers about the answer of these two queries. First thing, that Valli herself had collected the 60 paise, the fare of both journey. How? And that we all know that the children, they got that money from their parents due to various reasons. 8 years old means Valli, obviously she goes to school, and that means she gets pocket money for tiffin, or for to buy toys, or to go to the fair, or to personal enjoyment purpose, maybe that she got money. And Valli had just sacrificed all her these small desires to fulfill the that desire to ride the bus. She just held herself from buying toys, from buying balloons, from buying peppermints, and when she went to fair, she did not ride the merry-go-round. So this way, bit by bit, she collected 60 paise. So money she had collected. Now the timing. From 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. Valli's mother, she takes nap every day. Takes nap means this time Valli's mother every day that she sleeps. So that this is the time for Valli, and Valli also utilized the time. So the answer of these two queries about how Valli collected the money, how she got the money, and how she managed the timing. So these are the answers. So now again come back to Valli's journey, right, to the by the bus. And we have we have come to know that Valli, that initially it was a very nice journey. The scenery of outside the bus, it was so nice mountain, and that green field, and the blue sky. So everything was there. But now the bus is running in a bare place, and there was no such nice scenery. And that every time that maybe the bus is overcoming the way the bus was going, that every what incidents Valli was experiencing, maybe some passers by, maybe some pedestrian, means the persons who walk on footpath, they are called pedestrian. Maybe they are crossing the road. So how the bus was managing, the bus managed and just escaped that one. Maybe sometimes when the bus was taking turning, then from the opposite side maybe some vehicles were coming. So it was seeming that oh, something is going to happen. But the bus driver just nicely he managed. So all these were experiences for Valli, and all were enjoyable. And that Valli has seen that the trees were still, but when the bus started running, the trees were coming towards the bus. And then when bus stopped, then again that trees started stood still. And we know very well that when the bus moves, it seems that if you journey by train also, then also you will experience that when you are going towards that, it seems that all the trees are coming towards you. So Valli also experienced that. And the most funny thing was that Valli was very much amused. Valli enjoyed a lot that there was a young cow who was just raising its tail this way. It was running in front of the bus. And when the bus driver, it was just putting horns, giving horn, then the cow was terrified by the horn, and it was started running more and more. And by seeing that, Valli started laughing, and she laughed in such way that tears came out from her eyes. And the bus conductor also told her that why are you laughing so much? What made you so much joyous and you are laughing? At least keep something of your laughter to laugh for next time. So the cow was running in front of the bus. And then Valli the bus came near a railway crossing, and that a huge train was approaching with a large sound and roar and rattle. It moved. And what happened when the train moved? Then the bus was standing beside the crossing, and it was also moving. And the students, those who have just experienced that inside a bus or any vehicle beside the railway crossing, that it happens to all, because train, the journey of the train and its jerk is so high, so heavy that that beside the rail crossing, the vehicles that stood, all the vehicles, they also move. So my dear children, today up to here, and thank you. This is 6th month, September, April, May, June, July, August, September. So 6th month now we are crossing. So I hope that, and your form fill up it also will be started. So still the students who are not sincere enough and not studying sincerely, they start studying. Thank you. Stay at home, stay safe.